Hello, chubby nuggies and chubby nuggers. Right, so today I'm going to make a new video tutorial. Okay, but before that, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on my YouTube channel. So, ano ba yung topic natin for today? Right, most of us, especially now, kailangan natin gumawa ng sarili natin lesson materials, right? So, problema ng iba kung paano tayo magkakaroon ng or paano natin i-record yung screen ng ating laptop or ng computer, okay? Para sa ating mga lessons or sa paggawa ng ating video tutorial. So, today I'm going to teach you how, right, in the easiest way na hindi na kailangan pa mag-download ng application or software. Okay, so first step, kailangan lang natin pumunta sa Google Marketplace. There. Okay, so ang hahanapin natin dito, alright, sa Google Marketplace is yung Screencastify extension. Okay. So here, nakita nyo naman yung Screencastify video editor. So, click lang po natin siya. So since na kapag first time nyo po, all you need to do is just to click this install so that it will be installed on your Google Chrome extension. Ito po siya. Alright, so once meron na kayo yan, so once na-click nyo na po to, eto na po yung lalabas diyan sa ating Google window. Alright, to try, okay, now we are now ready to screen or record our screen on our laptop. So just click on this. So there's an option here. We have the browser tab. Kung yung browser tab lang ba ang i-review nyo. Alright, or your whole desktop. So, pwede rin po siya rin lahat. So, lahat na makikita ko ano yung i-click nyo talaga makikita or mare-record. Here, webcam only kung gusto nyo naman po yung webcam nyo lang. So, kung gusto nyo talaga mag-video ng sarili nyo, i-click lang po natin si webcam only. Then here we have the settings. We have the microphone. So you just have to set up your microphone kung alin microphone ba ang available sa inyong mga laptop. So we have also the camera setting. Okay, kung ano yung available din na camera. Me, I have the HD webcam on my laptop and this X-Split VCam on my laptop. Okay, now I'm going to choose this desktop, alright, para sa gagawin kong sample, right, na lesson sa aking PowerPoint para at least I have my own video lesson, okay, na i-record. Now I'm going to click record. Okay, so here it will ask you if it is your entire screen. So, click nyo lang. Application window. Ayan. Madami po siya. So, I'm going to choose this function. So, para ito na lang po yung talagang ma-record. Since I'm going to make like a sample video lesson about MS Excel. Para po alam nyo po kung ano yung logic nitong extension na to. Alright. Let's start. Okay. So, ito na po na, it's recording. So, halimbawa po, may sa class, kailangan natin mag-record ng ating mga lessons sa PowerPoint. All we need to do just to click that record. Now, we can discuss this topic for absolute self-references. So, there may be times when you do not. So, all you need to do just to discuss your lessons and everything. Okay? So, then, ayan. So, like for example, commonly used function. So, we use average function to compute for the average of number of a range in a cell. Okay, count, used to count the cells with specified content within a range. Some if there's a criteria or it computes the summation of range in a certain condition is. But, ganyan po lang parang example niya. Okay, so pwede nyo na po siyang, so once you're done, you just have to click stop sharing. So, automatic po siyang magsisave sa inyong Google Drive. Alright. So yan po yung example niya. So, pwede mo po siyang i-share na sa classroom. Pwede nyo po siyang i-share sa classroom or publish it to your YouTube channel. Okay, or you can download it. So, kung kailangan nyo ng editing, pwede po siya. And also, pwede na rin po tayo mag-trim. Ayan, ng video. So, kung kayo may kailangan yung i-trim. Okay, or you can also open the editor. So, let's check this. Okay, so, well, it's a free trial. Hindi ko pa siya masyadong ginagamit kasi okay naman na ako dun sa pag-record lang ng video. Okay, so hindi na natin siya kailangan kasi nag-edit ako with the other video editing software or application. So now, what I'm going to do, okay, is to download this para ready na po siya dun. So, pwede mo siyang ma-download or export as MP4 or export audio only or GIF. Okay? So, that's it. That's it for today, mga ka-chubby nuggets and ka-chubby nuggers. Again, don't forget to subscribe, like my video, and